Hi, this is Ritvik for Team Reva. This is Project 4, the AI flashcards one. And yeah, so the basic mission is basically to help people with their flashcard decks, like those having, those people who are using Anki or other tools to make flashcards. They usually know that the flashcards are good for them in terms of memory consolidation, but it's really hard to start on a blank slate. So that is something that is a problem in which AI can actually help them and they overcome the blank deck syndrome and then start their deck making process. And well, this is the team, and yeah, so this is the current UI which we have, and what we plan to do now is that we plan to focus on Anki compatibility. So now we are generating the, you can see here that we are generating the cards, but we already are having the JSON. Might as well go ahead and generate an Anki compatible kind of format, and then import it in Anki so that people can actually use it because Anki is a widely used tool. A second step would be to use retrieval augmented generation to generate cards. Obviously the style and everything we will learn and fine tune different models and maybe make our own models for it eventually, but then use the materials given by people to us which they think are important, and then creating the decks for them using those materials so they get hyper uh, kind of relevant flashcard decks, and then they obviously can refine them in their own UI. For example, if they're using Anki, they can use the Anki UI to refine them. We could also obviously refine the UI itself, the one we are offering, in which they can probably edit the decks themselves, kind of reorganize and then export to Anki or other uh, apps which they are using. Maybe like we establish a standard format because Anki is used, but it is like not. It is an open source format, but it is not used widely by everyone. So maybe we kind of uh, that is a long shot, but we could obviously aim for a common format as well. Yeah, so this is the project 4, and this is basically a general overview of what we wanted to present, and hopefully you like the project and the roadmap which we are proposing. And we are also obviously excited about the same. Thank you, and we await your feedback. Hi everyone, this is project 4. Now it is not entirely complete, but I have been able to at least have the login feature, and well, you can kind of view your existing cards, right? And you can kind of like see this, right? And you can generate your cards. So, for example, Python, and it does take some time because yeah, see, in Python it is generated well, right? The question and answer format. You can obviously save the card as well, and well, yeah. So it saves it properly, and it is saving it in Firebase, and well, we can go back to home and actually view the existing flashcards, and you should be able to see it here. See what is Python. Hmm. And well, uh, I will hide the email later, but yeah, you can see the entire thing is there. You can delete your account, you can do all of that stuff. So proper auth has been implemented. Now what has not been implemented here, which is basically you can see that the pricing I've not worked at because I was having some issue with the Stripe API, and the backend auth for Firebase. Well, I have put a time limit on that, so it won't work. after a few days. But yeah, so with the proper Firebase auth, the integration is there, but I have not been able to pass the auth token to Firebase as of now. So I've actually skipped that and just done the basic functionality here. Yeah, so this is project 4. I will be working on it more later. But yeah, this is about it as of now.